There's number 2. There's 1, and there's 1. Here's contractions. It's gonna come out. Good girl, Jay. There's a heating pad underneath them, and the heater is on, keeping these babies warm. Good girl, Jay. There's number 5. Here they are. This is number 5, just born. Just born. So X-ray said 4 or 5, and we've got 5. I had everything cleaned up, and I thought we were done at 5, but I guess we weren't. It's 9:30. We got a little bit of sleep. She had 4 boys and 2 girls. Everybody's doing good. I gotta say, I'm so proud of my little girl. She did so good. I got number 6. He was hiding behind. So now we've got 6 of them. I wanted to show how tiny this little girl is. Oh, she does not want me to show that. Look at my hand next to this puppy. Because people always come over and say they look bigger on video. Okay, so hopefully this gives you a better idea just how small they are. They're just so little. Just little babies. This is where I've been hanging out, working up here, hanging out all day. Today was a day our food was delivered from the co-op. I've had several boxes, over 100 cases. I wanted to show you these bones. I got asked about the bones that I bought last time. So it's from the co-op, and here's how they come. It's just one big box of them. Okay, we might just have a problem. Barely any of our food, all dogs' food. This one is full too. Probably feels a little chilly. 6.1 ounces. This guy is 6.4. Ooh. Oops. So after I weigh them, I put their collars on. Pretty soon all 6 of them will have them. I'm gonna go fast because it's chilly. So that's it, 5 point. This is the girl. This is the last one, 6.1. Look how colorful everybody's looking with their new collars. Beautiful. Hi, cutie. Okay, I am off to sleep. I'm very tired. Good night.